Ready to snag some SOL on Jupiter and dive into the Solana DeFi universe? First, you'll need a Solana wallet. Popular choices include Phantom, Sulfur, or Trust Wallet. Make sure you have it installed and funded with some SOL for gas fees. Now, head over to Jupiter's website, that's jep.ag in your browser. Double-check the URL to avoid any sneaky phishing sites. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the screen. A list of supported wallets will pop up. Select yours. Your wallet will then ask for permission to connect to Jupiter. Granted access. This is perfectly safe, but always double-check the site you're connecting to. Now you're in, you'll see two boxes. In the top box, select the token you want to swap from. This is probably USDC if you're just starting out. If you're using USDC, select USDC from the drop-down menu. In the bottom box, select SOL, since that's what you're aiming to buy. Enter the amount of USDC you want to spend for your SOL in the top box. Jupiter will automatically calculate the amount of SOL you'll receive, factoring in fees and slippage. Click the swap button. Your wallet will pop up again, prompting you to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully, and then approve it. Boom! Once the transaction is confirmed on the Solana blockchain, usually just a few seconds, you'll see your newly acquired SOL in your wallet. You are now ready to explore the Solana DeFi ecosystem.